Your body has the amazing ways of controlling your blood pressure. The Renin-Angiotensin-Aldosterone System, RAAS, is main regulatory mechanism involved in the blood pressure maintaining. So in this video, we are going to discuss a general overview of RAAS system. This mechanism has three significant components: the renin, angiotensin 2, and the aldosterone. These three components elevate arterial pressure in response to discrete renal blood pressure, sole delivered to distal convoluted tubule, and beta agonism. Renin is the first component of this mechanism. It located within juxtaglomerular cells, the JG cells. These JG cells are nothing more than the smooth muscle cells, which located in the afferent arterioles of the kidneys. When there is a reduced renal blood pressure within the afferent arterioles of the kidneys, it increases renin secretion. This renin converts angiotensin to angiotensin 1, but the angiotensin 1 is biologically inactive and it has no known function. The angiotensin 1 then travels to the lungs, the pulmonary circulation. And within this pulmonary circulation, there's a special enzyme called angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE. It converts angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2. This angiotensin 2 is the biological active forms. Angiotensin 2 is a non-potent vasoconstrictor, and it also increases the aldosterone secretion from zona glomerulosa and increases release of vasopressin from the hypothalamus. The vasoconstriction increases systemic vascular resistance and increases blood pressure. The aldosterone acts on inactive receptors and increase sodium and water retention. Also, vasopressin increases the water retention and increase extracellular volume. Together, all these mechanisms increase extracellular volume and the systemic vascular resistance and cause increased blood pressure. The overactivation of RAAS system is seen mainly in renal and cardiovascular diseases. In our next video, we will discuss about these pathophysiologies, their pharmacological management. This is the end of this video. We will meet in our next video. Until then, happy learning.